Hi! Welcome to Bookbox. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon to get our latest videos.
One day, soon after summer, Cheeku and Baa decided to clean the air cooler, since they did not need it in the winter. They opened the back cover of the cooler and were startled to see two creatures sitting inside. Baa said, "Cheeku, can you believe that a chameleon and a lizard are living inside this cooler?" Well, they seem to be enjoying the cool atmosphere and are also safe from crows and other birds that attack them. Cheeku looked into the cooler and said, "Really, they are very clever. As the grass attracts insects, they have plenty to eat. They don't need to go out and can stay happily within the safe cooler." Baa said, "It is interesting because they come from the family of lizards. But each one is different. The chameleon is larger and can change color. Its eyes can move in all directions. And when it is hungry, all it has to do is stick its tongue out and grab an insect. Chameleons usually prefer to live in gardens, but this one prefers a cooler. While lizards are smaller, they do not change color and usually prefer to live in houses. But these two love the cooler air and each other's company." Baa did not know what to do, since she wanted to clean the cooler. As soon as she shooed them away, the lizard ran into the kitchen, and the chameleon ran out of the house and hid in Baa's plants. Then, Baa and Cheeku forgot all about the lizard and the chameleon. Soon, they were in for a big surprise. Baa and Cheeku had gone to a craft fair and bought 2 clay horses. These horses had big O-shaped holes for their mouth. One day, while watering the plants, Baa jumped when she saw the head of a reptile emerging from the horse's mouth. At first, she mistook it for a snake. She called out to Cheeku, and together they looked into the horse's mouth and discovered the chameleon. Baa and Cheeku were curious and moved the other horse to see if there was a similar surprise. As expected, the lizard jumped out of the second horse's mouth. Baa and Cheeku looked at each other and laughed when they realized that the lizard and the chameleon from the air cooler had found a new home. Baa told Cheeku, Maybe this is what friendship is all about.
Hey there! Don't forget to like and share this video. Also, please leave your comments below.